How to make 1 second video longer for Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a 1 second video longer for your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you will need a video editor to make the video longer. You can download this video editor, in short. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. After you have downloaded the video editor, open it. Tap on Video, then tap on New. Select the video you want to make longer. Then tap on Check. If you want to remove this watermark, then tap on it. You will see two options, to pay and remove it or to remove it for free. I will tap on remove it for free. An ad will play. After the ad is done playing, tap on the cross to close it. Now to make the video longer, tap on the video to select it. Then scroll to the right. You will see the duplicate option. Tap on it. The 1 second video has now turned into a 2 second video. You can tap on duplicate to duplicate the video as many times as you want to make it longer. Then to save the video, tap on save. Again, tap on save. If you get an ad, wait for it to finish and then close it. The video is now saved to your gallery. Now you can post it to your Instagram story and it will be longer than 1 second. So this is how you can make a 1 second video longer for Instagram story.